Yabba dabba doo, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am back with part 2, if you want to call it part 2, or the next video as to my theory as to what happened to Pebbles and BamBam and Dino. Well, if you can remember, or if you ever watched the Flintstones, or if you haven't, stay tuned and you can get the gist of this. So back a while ago, the Flintstones were the Flintstones. And they had Pebbles and BamBam, and Pebbles and BamBam grew up together. So, close friends, boy and girl. What happens generally when they grow up together? They fall in love and all this and that. And there was a special where Pebbles and BamBam ended up getting married and went on to have a life of their own. So one of the theories is here that this is exactly what happened here. This is after the Pebbles and BamBam has grown up, gone on their own now, so they're no longer with their parents, the Flintstones and the Rebels, and they have moved on, and now these are just one, this is just one scenario. And of course, Dino, being the Dino that he is, has moved on as well, because he's either gone with Pebbles and BamBam, or he's just lived his life to the fullest and now he's just moved on. The other possible theory is Pebbles and BamBam, I discovered this the other day, were actually already produced by Lego. And it was right under our nose. We didn't see it. No one saw it, I don't think. This just happened to be a coincidence, maybe? I don't know. I don't think so. I think it was an Easter egg. I think they knew they were going to do a Flintstone set down the road at some point. May not have been an idea set, but they knew. I think they did, because this kind of, sums it up. That I'm going to pull it in here and I'm going to show you. Let's just move these guys over to the side a little bit here. Okay, we'll move these guys over here. Oops, okay. You guys all just want to sit down there and chill out and listen to the story, guys? Yeah, okay, you guys do that. You guys just chill out there, listen to my story. So, here's Pebbles and BamBam. Right here. In this promotion set. And you say, how do I come up with Pebbles and BamBam? Let me show you. There's an Easter egg right here on the box, dead giveaway. Okay, so we take the outside label off and we see, it's a cave. Of course, if you open it up, you've got the caveman and the cave girl. Well, Pebbles did have the bone in her hair, and BamBam did have the big bammer, if you want to call it that, the big bat. So, therefore, Pebbles and BamBam, right? Okay, so that's getting close. Now, let's turn the box around. No Easter egg there. Nothing on the back, really. Although, there's a picture of a dinosaur that says Lost. That ties in with the Dino Lost on the TV news, printed brick on the inside of the TV set. Possible. Let's look at this side. So let's look at this side. Let's look real close in there. What do you see in there? I know what I see in there. There's something of this color in there. Look at that hanging up in there. What does it look like? Yeah. Now if we flip it to the exact other side, check this out. Here's the big Easter egg. It's Fred Flintstone's shirt hanging. Yeah, the same one that's hanging up next to the fireplace on the opposite side of the box. So this is over at Pebbles and BamBam's house, which is this cave here. Pebbles has her dad's shirt hanging up there because he was overdoing some work for them. So I think they pre-knew that this was going to be done right here, or that they had an inkling that it was going to be done, and they released this as a major Easter egg. That's just my theory and opinion on it. It may not be the case, but it's my opinion, and I think it just works because it kind of really looks like them. And now we can say we have the full Flintstone set, except Dino And you know, Dino is probably in dinosaur years, very old at this point in time. So maybe he's passed on. I'm not sure. Or he is lost because they're looking for him on the TV set within the house, and he's also a picture on the back that says Lost Dinosaur. So, you know, maybe he got away, or maybe he's gone to find his love of his life. You know, who really knows? But that's just my theory on to what happened to Pebbles and BamBam and Dino with the Flintstones set. If you guys have any theories or opinions on that, let me know down below. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Of course, keep this channel going and let's build it up. We're getting up there, so let's keep it going. And until next time, you have yourselves a yabba dabba doo of a day, and I will see you guys again in the next video. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.